What is the smallest font size that can be printed on our UV labels? The minimum font that can be printed on our UV transfer labels is 1 mm in height. So, how to judge the height of the smallest font in your design file? If this is your design file, now you may feel that the font is large enough. But what if it is made into the label of 1 by 0.48 inches? Its actual size will look like this. You will find that if it is made into the label of 1 by 0.48 inches, its smallest font is less than 1 mm in height, which is beyond the printable limit of our UV transfer labels. If encountering this situation, we usually have two solutions. The first one, enlarge the size of the label as a whole. If the overall size of the label is enlarged to 1.5 by 0.72 inches, then the smallest font will exceed 1 mm in height. The second one, keep the overall size of the label unchanged. Only enlarge the small font to 1 mm in height. Both of these methods can solve the problem of too small of fonts. Let's take a look at the actual effect of printing small fonts on our UV labels. The smallest font in this label is just over 1 mm in height, which is the actual printing effect. Let's stick it on the bottle to see the final effect. It's pretty good, right? Almost the same as printing directly on the bottle. Okay, let's look at this label. The smallest font has reached 2 mm in height, but there are some small icons and barcodes. If sticking on the outer packaging of the product, it must look awesome, right? Okay, let's look at another label. The smallest font is about 1.4 mm in height. This kind of small label is ideal for lipstick, lip balm, mascara, etc. In short, our UV transfer label can print very small fonts, but it is best to reach 1 mm in height. Please check whether the minimum font in your design file meets the requirement before uploading the file.